Well, here is the Samsung Galaxy Fold. We saw it for the first time back in February, but we finally got our hands on it here at IFA. And you can see it's got a small 4.6 inch screen on the front and opens up to this magnificent larger screen and allows you a lot more room for browsing, running multiple apps, viewing your photos, your videos, enjoying all your content on the go. The device itself has really got a really impressive build quality. Even the fold in the middle of the screen actually isn't too obvious. You can see it in the right light, but generally I'm really impressed with the quality of the screen. It is easy to navigate, of course, as a regular device as well. Websites look really good on this larger screen. The camera also, you can take it through the front. The front cameras here are on the top right hand corner of the screen. There's also, of course, the cameras on the back. What I like about the device too is that whatever you happen to be doing on the main screen, if you do fold the phone, the continuity will take it to the front of the device as well. Opening and closing it, it's a two-handed effort. It's pretty hard to do it with one hand. There's a nice satisfying click when you do close it. In terms of pricing and availability, we're going to see it in Australia in the next couple of months, definitely before Christmas. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but with the state of our dollar, you can expect this to be quite pricey. We're talking around possibly the $3,000 mark. So really impressed with my first view of the Galaxy Fold. Looking forward to using it as my daily driver in the coming months. But in the meantime, check out our review on Tech Guide as well.